And of course naguo thina wa uria wari kuo ri tiguo wi kuo riu
acha
ni wakiriirie mwaki hindi yo so andu matiako na reservoirs matangi ma kuiga mai ma mbura tondu mbura nayo ri iria yuraga rugongo ri if you harvest it you no gi harvest yothe wega ri it will even take you 3 years if you have proper storage
ina matangi mena storage ina capacity nene
yes
mbura icoke thandane wega ri ni mai we magu twara for a couple of months
yes acio na nyumba iria ciari matangi maihigari and there were not many in the rural area
there were not many
those were the only people you would not interact on the interlocking spar path towards the river
aria mari matangi ma mahiga
yes
ndungiagia kite itangi ria ihiga na ndwakite nyumba ya mahiga
it would defeat purpose acio matiathia ruwi
aca
yes acio na maigua muinete nyimbo
mukiharuruka ruwi
tondu mai maria moya April during the long rains would take them through the year yes na kungiathire nwi ruwi naruo there are some places wakoraga ruwi ruria marataha mai ri is season ni ruahuaga so going to the main river is very far
no main river
yes
ni thabari
tariu gwitu twataha mai karu geto kanyamui kanyamui kangihua ri vi no thire mathio ya gikiri
na ni haraihu
ugikambatie mai kou riu hau mwa employ yake ndugito diplomacy ya guthaitho uyu wina itangi
na mukoro ni muriritaga wega
yes and by relating we mean you bow down to them you are their slaves if they have manual labor you volunteer if they have visitors you make yourself handy away from that mwaruka karuini and mostly the good time ya utama yali rusini tene matana ujugo yes kana huaini gutindite afternoon without activity maine makomeke
me matheru
yes and some of us will recall utama was an entire family affair except your father
Rodi de ataha mai
ai no manye anything that would take you downhill muda you have to come back with water ona watu yago thie wono tora haruka wathie ko
ndathi kianda
no uyu na ndungithio tari mutungi
ke ikorokithio guo
ucoke urugamite ta dio
make yourself useful
yes ajele muona kwa nyugo mtie to muri igiri mukona inyuiri safari cia mai tifani na mutirakuwa a large volume atago
kwaje agikoro mwena uhio wa gutahira mai
yes
that was hard labor
ni ng'ombe anyu ametungia gena even today the capacity is around 2 good mitungi yes na hindi yo kwaja hindi ya riwe ngarite kung'ara
na mwiciana ithatu
yes na no mwita magwithamba maindo maguo na makunyua na kuruga
na gukona kariserve
yes and you know the reserve was not substantial so reserve ni mitungio yo mwinayo
reserve ya mai muciiri
yes
ni mutu gitanuthu
yes tondu muthire itangi
you have no
yes riu na andu maharurukite you know there is that picture ukona kihi kiria gikuru airetu ao mohereire mutungi you know the mothers would know your height yes no ka just iru ori urakura na ke fundithio mutungi ri tondu ciande ciari somehow weak ri ni wona akiohereirwo muka the trick ya mutungi we mugongo ri adiare ko kuwa takiria balance ndukagaragarire mugongo tondu wagaragarire mugongo wakuhuragia 360 So you had to strike a perfect balance. Na tumia ne makinya andu makaya balance yo kona ena kinya mwana mutungi iguru kiondo no raia na mutungi
na guoko kumwe ne akuite kindu ringi kapuyu
we waku waigiriro hau ruini ri wakinya ikinya ria mbere wathia rubere hey
yo na iretu kwigirira mutungi na yari okothi.
Actually, there are some girls, some women right now, maikire kiugo kuigiriro mutungi. Kamani kara kwenda ri nike amenyete timings yaku cia rui.
You see, ugethi guku park guku animal parks.
Yes.
Nyamu ici ndia nyama ri.
Yes.
Sikienda ihita riega ri.
Yes.
Ithia hakuhi na watering point.
Yes.
Toni na menya nyamu ndia nyaki no iroka kunyua ki.
Yes.
Mai.
It's the same narrative.
Riu na kuo rugongo ri.
Kema ni ciikara hau igikinya mayona mutarakwa. Cieteire Wanjira oke atahirira Wanjira kuigirire oka kamuigirira those were bonga points. Heavy bonga points. Ndungigirira mundu mai ciumia igiri hatari na ni reciprocal.
Gacaga-ini gaka ka nguigirire ndiga kuigirire ri.
Yes.
Na rigirire ria gatatu ria kana ukanjia ithako kamwe ukoya ringi ugithi gukinye mugongo ugacokia thi
tiga wana Mage kahuthu wi wana. The ice has been broken. It's an icebreaker right there. The next best thing ni akagutha mutungi kiande akwambatiria nui haha kare makanjagiria niho gakokeheire. You see, the river has to be in the valley.
Andu kamuriko-ini.
Yes. Riu akumiriria mutungi wi kiande nginya haria kare makana ta katia
haria kare makahuga guwire.
Yes.
Kana hamwe ikinya barabara.
Yes.
Ikundu kwina maitho maingi.
Yes.
Na to no murenda kwihitha ri.
Yes.
Akinyia bara.
You know he's you know a carnivorous. And some young men who want to them ni maigagira muiretu mayo gona makamwambatiria mwaka na akaika meroreire. You cannot quantify or audit kuiganira mai
makumiriria mundu mutungi rui nginya ukamukinyiria bara.
You cannot present that to any legal. No, mai.
Na nduri na aira.
Yes. Wona mani na matiatwaranaga ou mani yetu mahutini bebe niyo iga pathini gati. Yes. Not to story. They were very interesting. Na kwanja riu wona muiretu ucio ri oko ni arenda mani ino ri ni amba kuohora twana twao turia tunini because ni ahuhia coro.
No marithi gutwara uhoro wanja wao ri
mamu no marekinya mucingo wa mohoro twendekagiria kuria mari mbugire were kianda kiu.
No, itaero ria mai batura ri.
Yes.
Those were very social joints.
Yes. And sometimes you would tempt fate a little kana go test the waters ukauga umuthi ni ugukinyiria Wanjira mai haoja. Yes. Ukaigirira kiande. That is a speech of
acceptance.
Yes. Ugono wathia ukabsorb system wini wako agia ni ura macibithia. Yes. Ng'ombe yao ina muruke ni urasa monuo.
Matwarithie kwa ndume.
It would break your heart in pieces wendo tocio kobobanĩte.
Na oyo wonete the coast is clear.
Ona nĩwamenaga rũĩ.
Wathiaga rũĩ mathaa marĩa odd.
Yes.
Odd hours.
Mũtigacemanie. Because the river was the river, and like it or not, it was the only source of
meeting.
clean water. Rĩu no mũrĩcemania handũ harĩkũ? Yes. Boko na rĩu twana twao. Nĩ kana kanjĩrie kũrĩkurutwo maĩ kena mĩaka 4-5. Akaheo kaeria twa kanini.
Gaka kambatĩ.
Let me tell you. It was called the River Bliss. And some love blossomed there. They are now very stable marriages.
Very stable.
Very. From the blossom of love by the riverside. Oh, how we can, how kaiga ine. Ugeterra crashi. Yasa nilikuwa kufollow mtu.